camera ain't gonna get hurt if it gets a couple drops of fucking rain on it, boy. Alright,
I got it, dude.
That's in his yard. When the fucking water goes down, that fucking thing is fucked. They ain't gonna get that up. This fucking guy here.
We got boats in that guy's yard.
Oh, that boat's in the yard.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Go down there and look at that boat. Get out and run down there real quick. Take a picture of that fucking other big boat in the yard. How the hell are they gonna get that out of there? Look at how low that house is. That house is underwater. That house is fucked.
Wow. Alright, I can't get...
Dude, I got something to cover that motherfucker thing up with.
Wow. Okay.
That house is underwater too. Look, they already got their carpet tore out. Let's take a fucking picture too. Look, they're trying to figure out how fast the water's moving. See that fucking little fucking water?
Yeah.
Look back this way and get a picture of that fucking boat in that guy's yard. Look at that fucking house underwater.
Yeah.
Is that a house or a shed?
That looks like a shed.
Bigger than a fucking... Stay right on this guy's wake here. Now let's get a little deeper. Look at him. Skippy's steaming up. See him steaming?
Yeah. Holy crap, man. Oh, my car would have never made it through this.
Why not? It's a Mitsubishi. That guy said, fuck this, I ain't going to do it, I'm going back to the bar. He was sitting there waiting to get out. He goes, nah, fuck this.
You seen this over here, man. It's like...
There you go, hot dog. Now I hope you drowned out. He's got the gray Mercedes on there. That's the one that was sitting underwater. Yep, sure enough. That guy's ship, it was over top of his tires.
Look at this.
Yeah, this one's a little deeper. See the cars in the median? That was the one sitting in the road. Dead nuts in the street.
3 cars over there.
What are they stopping for? Pussies. I've already been through this. I can do it. That guy's saying I ain't gonna do it. The Toyotas are made to go underwater. What's this butt fucker doing?
You go around him.
Why is he stopping in the middle of the fucking road?
Because he's watching this other guy.
In the Toyota?
I don't know.
Hey, bro, you got people behind you. You fucking moron. Is that Toyota stuck?
No, he's just looking.
Look how deep it is. Look at them guys waiting in it. Look at the wake. Look at the wake from the other, going the other way. See the wake?
Yep.
From the other truck plowing through? These people are bitching because the wake's coming up in their yard. Oh, look at that big fucking truck, that international.
Oh, dude, you ain't gonna be going through this.
I've already been through it. For one, look at that car underwater. Look at that car. He just flooded out. I bet you.
Holy crap, man. Dude, look at this. Oh, look at this. Look, check this out. They got a safety barrier.
There's another one that drowned. Freaking Audi. It's a new car too, dude. Underwater. Fucking doors underwater. That car's full of water inside. Look at that bumper on that Chevy disappearing. Yikes.
Oh, look at this, dude. They got it. It's going up into their garage.
That's why they don't want people making wakes. But I'm fine right now.
Holy crap, man.
Did I tell you or what? This Cadillac does not want to go through there. You don't want to go through there, buddy. Fuck, man. I don't know why they don't pump this shit into the fucking creek. Look at the creeks right there. That's fucking. They can pump that shit into there. Here comes some hot dog gonna pass me.
Is he?
Yeah, I'm gonna let him pass. Fuck that guy. I'm gonna let him go. Go ahead and go, buddy. You want to be a fucking hero? Go ahead. I hope you fucking drown. Go ahead, smarty pants. Go on. Go on.
Wave him on. You want me to wave him?
Yeah. Go ahead. Be a fucking hero. Go ahead. Fucking wise ass.
Is he gonna pass?
I guess not.
I guess he's gonna watch you go through.
Fucking dickhead. He don't want to watch me go through it. Wake with me.
That van's gonna get stuck, dude.
I hope so. Look at this fucking Dodge making a wake. Feel that fucking wake?
Yeah.
I told you that car took shit right there. I told you. Didn't I tell you he was wondering when shit was coming over the hood? Dumbass. I don't have a fucking rope or I'd tell you. I don't have a rope or I'd drag you out of there, man. Sorry. There's another one that got fucking drowned. They're all over the fucking place.